Hey everyone, welcome back to ClickUp Unplugged, Productivity Without Limits. I'm your host Sally, and as always, I'm joined by my two ClickUp power users, Anthony and Johan. How's it going, guys?
Doing great. Excited for today's topic.
Yep, this is a good one because I've gone back and forth on this a lot.
Same here. So today, we're debating ClickUp's desktop app versus the web version. Which one is better and which one do you actually use? Let's start simple. Which one do you guys prefer?
I'm a web version guy all the way. I like the flexibility of using it across multiple devices without installing anything.
I'm the opposite. I prefer the desktop app because it just feels faster and keeps me focused without a million browser tabs open.
All right, let's break this down. Performance-wise, which one feels better to use?
Honestly, with ClickUp 3, zero speed improvements, the web app runs really well now. It used to lag a bit, but now it's pretty smooth.
True, but the desktop app still feels snappier, especially with large workspaces. Plus, it uses fewer browser resources, so I don't have Chrome eating up all my RAM.
That's a solid point. What about notifications and focus? Does the desktop app help with that?
I actually prefer browser notifications because they sync across devices. If I get a ClickUp alert, I can see it on my phone, laptop, or anywhere I'm logged in.
I disagree. The desktop app's native notifications are way better. They feel more immediate and keep me in my workflow without distractions.
What about offline work? Can you use ClickUp without the internet on either version?
That's one area where both still need work. ClickUp doesn't have full offline mode, which is frustrating. You can open tasks you've recently viewed, but you can't edit them properly without an internet connection.
Yeah, I wish they'd improve that. A true offline mode, especially in the desktop app, would be a game changer.
Okay, let's wrap this up. If someone's new to ClickUp, which version should they start with?
Web version. It's easier to access, no downloads required, and it works great right away.
Desktop app. It keeps you more focused, runs faster, and helps avoid distractions.
So, no clear winner. It really depends on how you work. If you need flexibility, go with the web app. If you want speed and focus, try the desktop version. All right, that's a wrap for today. Next episode, we're diving into ClickUp Docs. Are they a hidden gem or just another note-taking tool? If you're enjoying this series, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment. See you next time.